Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off subscription on TikTok. Now, the first thing you should do is to go and open TikTok on your phone. And once you open TikTok application, you should click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, just like so. Once you get to your profile, click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy. Now, here in my case, because I do not actually have any subscriptions to anyone, I cannot find here an option for subscription. But here in this page, you can find an option saying manage subscriptions, or you can actually find your subscription just here below the account option. So you can simply just click on the subscription itself and cancel it. Or if you still have problems canceling the subscription or turning it off, you just have to scroll down till you find here this option, report a problem, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should now search for an option called subscription. Now here, as you can see, I have the option subscription right here. You just have to tap on it. It will show you more options. Click on managing your subscriptions, then choose any one of these options. But here in my case, I'll click on how can I cancel an auto renewal subscription. After that, we'll show you this page. You just have to follow these steps, or if you still have the problem, just click on no and click on need more help. Then now we can message them directly. You can tell TikTok support representatives that you have an issue with the subscription and you want to cancel it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.